All right, here it is, December 16th, 2021. I'm down at the East Bowl here. It's 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Doing some testing today. I purchased me a new little stool here. As you can see, a little two-step ladder that I'm going to use to try to look over the fences here. Since I lost this one perch down here, which was formerly a tree right there, I can see that I need to be a little more proactive in then finding me ways to do my videography here. So I'm going to climb up on my perch here for the first official time, so I don't fall off of it and kill myself. All right, now down here is the tree that was formerly back over to the left of me. It got knocked down on Tuesday the 15th, I believe, or no, 14th, because today's the 16th, Wednesday was the 15th, so it was knocked down on the 14th. Got guys out here today doing a few things. So I can actually see what I'm looking at now. So this little step ladder will be a big help. Get up on the top, I can see over all the fences quite well. So just shooting some test stuff here. And down there, straight ahead of me, sort of grayish tree, I think. Can't really see it very well. There it is, straight ahead of me now. That was the tree that was up on the hill, I believe. It's been boxed up and moved down here. And it's looking a little peaked, a little rough for its treatment there, but so I'm going to just shoot just a little bit here. I'm going to try moving around in front of City Hall. There's only a few places I really need my ladder. And this is one, in front of City Hall is one. Might be a few other places, but I don't have to lug it too far, so. All right, so I'm going to stop this here, and I want to, I'm going to test some various kinds of transitions that I've seen on YouTube in Final Cut Pro. So I'm going to shoot some footage for those transitions, see how that works. All right, here I am down at City Hall shooting over the fence at the lagoon, trying out my little ladder here. And get a much better shot here today than I can in the past, but they are starting to get the lagoon sort of flattened off and leveled off down there. Just pan around here a little bit, testing out my new portable perch, which will be of great assistance in some areas. Just got to lug it around a little bit. Down here, you can see the debris pile. Back over there from I believe the sidewalks that formerly crossed over the drink water plateau there, as I call it. So just getting a little bonus footage in today. Seeing what I can see, working on a few little experimental things. So I think I'm going to move on around over to the end of the fence here. And like I say, I'm just doing some test footage today, so it's kind of a throwaway, really. Just wanted to get my stool, a little stool step ladder thing figured out here. Make sure I have a sense of what it is, what it can do, what it can't do. Alrighty, stopping this here I am on the north side of City Hall, so to speak. Shooting a little more test video on my compact step stool is what it's listed as being. So just doing more video testing, seeing what's what. How hard is it to carry the stool around? Yada yada. So, not much going on now today. Like I say, they finished most of the heavy demolition. They're doing grading work, it looks. And we're pushing into this coming week, the final 2 weeks of December. So I'm sure Christmas and New Year's Eve and all that'll slow things down a little bit even more. But I think they're at a point where they're probably satisfied with the progress they've made. Then come January of 2022, they can get a fresh start on everything and start doing some construction. So I'm going to stop this here for right now. And hang on, to another view of my step stool up against the 2023 marquee here. So it's a nice little step stool, kind of perfect for what I need this for. It didn't cost me very much, 30 bucks I think, about that. So there's my newest addition to my iPhone videography technical support. Simple but effective. So I'm going to stop this right here. And I don't know if I'm going to shoot any more. Sort of accomplished a few things I wanted to accomplish. See what's going on. Gotta go visit somebody here, so I'm going to wrap this up right now.